Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a car's interior panels and dashboard without using any special products. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. In the past, I've used all sorts of cleaners, protectors, and all sorts of stuff within my cars, okay? Now, with that being said, at the time I thought it was a great idea until I learned that you can literally do this without using any special products. This is a method that is basically free for the most part, and it's super easy. You don't have to use any products, any chemicals, or anything like that. All that you need is literally just a spray bottle with water in it. Okay, this is just a simple spray bottle. I've just covered up the labels, but it has water in it. Okay, I've just filled it up with water. I'm gonna make sure that the spray bottle is on. It's off right now, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so please bear with me. And then you're also going to need a simple microfiber cloth. These are reusable. You can wash them and use them over and over again. Okay, now all that you need to do is you need to spray the microfiber cloth with water and wipe down the panels and the dashboard. Now, my car right now is absolutely dusty. It's absolutely filthy. Really easy to do. I'm going to be placing the microfiber cloth down over here, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it over here. So as you can see, I'm just gonna give it a couple sprays, just like that. And it's just water. Like I said, it's just water that's in here. So I'm just dampening the cloth. You can do this outside of the car. I recommend that you do it outside, but because I'm in the car right now, it's just easier for me to do it right there. And if you're spraying the water in the car, make sure that you're steering clear of any of the electronics. I don't recommend that you spray directly on the panels. I recommend that you spray on the cloth and then you wipe down the panels, okay? So I have the damp part of the microfiber cloth right here. All I gotta do is literally just wipe down the panels, okay? And if you want to, you can really make it damp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray a bit more. I was having a bit of trouble with the lever. Now it's working properly. So I'm spraying this part of it quite a bit. So this part right here is quite damp. And you can see that when I wipe it down, look at this. And it's really hot right now. That's why it's drying up so quickly, okay? It's not gonna leave any marks. It's not gonna leave any streaks. It's just gonna create a beautiful, clean car interior, okay? You can use it to wipe your vents down, okay? Really easily. You can use it to wipe your dashboard down. So you can see, like I said, my dashboard was quite dusty, but now when I do this, I'll show you the difference. You can literally see where I wiped compared to where I didn't wipe, okay? And like I said, you know, somewhere where there's no electronics, like the dashboard, I can spray right here nice and carefully, just because, you know, obviously you're gonna get a little bit of water on the windshield if you do that, but you can wipe it off. You know, if I really wanted to clean it, I could spray right there, and you can see that it is quite clean. And I'm not using any chemicals, I'm not using anything. Look at the difference. Look at how clean it is right there. And it was super dusty. And you can do multiple passes. Like right now, you know, like I said, the car is quite dusty. So I'm probably gonna clean the entire thing twice just to really get rid of the dust, because it has been quite a while since I've cleaned it. However, it's really easy to do. And then once you've cleaned it like this, using this method, at that point, then you can go and you can maybe put on a protector on it if you want. But I recommend that you clean it using just water. You don't need any crazy solutions. Just get a spray bottle with some water and wipe it down. And you can see already that, like I said, it is really clean right there. And it's just water, so you're not worrying about damaging anything, you know, anything at all, right? You can use it on your dashboard, on your panels. You can use it on, you know, like for instance, your gauges like this. So the window right here where the gauges are, on top of the steering wheel. So look at how dirty that is. Check this out. Look, watch this. Check this out. I feel like I'm selling something, but I'm not. I'm just showing you how to do it. It's just incredible. And like I said, it was super dusty. So if I wipe it again, you know, I'm really gonna get rid of all the dust. Okay, you know, right here, anywhere, steering wheel, dashboard, anywhere you can use it. And it works so well. And that's it. That is how to clean a car's interior and dashboard using just no special products. Like I said, just a squirt bottle of water and a microfiber cloth. When you're done with it, you throw it in the washer, throw it in the dryer, and you can use it again. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.